The total price, $65,465. That's not bad. That's not bad.
Good morning. Celebrate 10K. We're flying to New York to pick up a Cayenne. So I'm bringing you guys along with me. Waiting. Flight is in like an hour. Short flight, long drive. Let's get it. Holy sh**, we did it. All right, we're beginning my journey. I'm in Queens, New York. Not a single plate on this vehicle, front or rear. We've got 8 hours and 24 minutes left. Whenever I stop next, I'll show you guys around the car. This thing is f***ing mint. I'm so excited this worked out. Crazy it's in New York.
Right, turn left onto Shore Parkway.
Gotta do what you gotta do. Way over there, bro. I hope you guys can see it, but New York, we're like right on the beach. This is wild. New York radio is just drill, bro. As promised, we've hit the stop. Time to show you guys around the car. I have about 6 hours left of the drive. This thing's cozy as can be, but this is my new to me 2008 Cayenne S. It has 2015, 2016 Turbo S wheels on it. Black on black, tinted. It's the ski package. Couldn't tell you what's included, but it's got a hitch on it. It is very, very nice. So we went and looked at one yesterday in like Washington, DC. This one I found in New York. Decided to fly out today. Check it out, bring it home. Mint. Inside now is garage kept, Porsche serviced or Porsche specialist serviced. And I mean, it's a little dirty right now. We've been on the road all day, but she's clean, man. She's clean, she's been loved, she's been taken care of. So I'm excited to continue doing that. I'll show you guys the inside. I mean, there's not much to see on the outside, you know. Looks good. Like I said, black on black on the interior. 113 on the dash, no check engine light. Everything works as it should. Oh, that's locked, but yeah, you get the point. I've got some Subway. Ugh. About to rip a mini Red Bull and already cranked down my Subway. So about 6 hours left, dude. Let's get it.
You see along the way. Proceed to South Pennsville Auburn Road, then turn right.
5.5 left. Radio works, cruise control works, AC is blasting. Hey, cheers to 10K and to picking up a Cayenne. We've been on the road like 2.5 hours, 3 maybe, but oh my God. I've never driven home from New York, only like Florida. So, all right, I'll see you guys probably at the next stop. This thing has like 630 miles of range with a full tank, which is insane. Okay. Four and a half hours left. We are, I think we're like north of Washington. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. So the rear right has a bubble in it, and it's gotten bigger. So at slow speeds in traffic right now, it's like ass. At cruising speed, it kind of skips over the bubble faster, so it's just smoother riding. I don't really want to pull over and put on the spare unless I have to. It's 301 miles left, so we'll see. I think we'll get home fine one way or another. The car's running fucking great, holding temp, oil's good, charge is good, gas is mid. I knew that, but it's really not awful. The LS400 was awful. All right, that's the update. Yeah. Through Richmond. We got like 2.5 left. Keeping it pushing. I am home. It is 1 o'clock in the morning. Car is safe. That tire didn't pop, so that's awesome. I'm gonna do the oil change, get another tire, keep it moving. We're home safe. Good night. Rig is officially home, and we are getting down to business. So this is the tire. I don't know if you guys will be able to see the bubble on here,
You see the tread difference? Yeah, you can definitely see the bubble. Look at that, bro. That got progressively bigger, and
I don't know if you guys have been really sweaty in a car, tensing up on every bridge, thinking it's gonna pop, but it made it fine. We're running, we found a used tire, it's like 75 bucks. We're gonna go pop that on, get stuff to do the oil change, and get this thing cleaned out.
shout out Kiki's Tires. We got a fresh tire, getting ready to toss that back on the car or truck, whatever. Oil change, and we're gonna clean it.
Yeah, it sucks.
So who would have guessed there's 8 quarts of oil on the ground or so. This thing was full and the flow was way too fast, but it's coming along. Fits special.
I wanted Spencer to document this. This is the first time I've like torqued my own wheels down. Normally I just impact them. So. Yeah, baby.
Here's a better look at this thing in the daytime, in the fresh wash. Obviously we gotta dry it. I like these wheels on here more than I do when they have brake dust on them. So I might re-up on a set of tires for these before I lift this thing or something. I'm definitely gonna wrap these black. I like the silver accents around them, and I like the ones at the bottom. The back, it's fine, it's just a little too much on the side, but yeah.
We're getting ready to take it around the block, dry it off a little bit, and be done for the day. So, hell yeah.
There's one like little 15 millimeter hex socket up here. Think? Yeah. I don't know what this wire is. I'm assuming that it goes to this lightning cable that's soldered in here. So I would like to get this out. We'll worry about this in a minute.
Next, we're just gonna go ahead and disconnect this light and these two 12-volt things, which is gonna be sick. I'm probably gonna get a little Bluetooth like receptor, and I'll literally just plug it right into here. I mean, that's kind of sketchy. So, I mean, this should just like pop off here.
Oh, it's pissing. Oh, what is it pissing from? Oh my. Okay, well, we got a lot of it out. You guys like the new lens, by the way? Wide angle. All right, step 1 is draining it. So that's sick. Threading the needle. Let me know if you guys see anything like piss down there. Definitely a little. Definitely a little. I'm gonna get a hanger. Bro, what if we see this like come out of the bottom of the car? Oh my God. It just ate the whole hanger, bro, is it? But that shit should definitely be clear now. See if it pulls out anything. Oh, I hear it. It's so clear. Nothing. I'm gonna put this back together. We're gonna blast the AC and see how we're looking. I hope we're good, dude. I think we might be. I lied, by the way. I'm getting ready to detail all the wheels. They're close, and these things are super clean. So we're getting ready to take this thing, test the AC out, and get a little Bluetooth transmitter so we can have Bluetooth in this thing music. Anyways, let's get it. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be honest, bro, I welcome a trip to Walmart in this thing. Not even joking. Wheels are clean as hell. Let's go find a little Bluetooth, John. Also, 0 leakage. See if we have any. Let's go, baby. All right, so we got the transmitter in there. We got it on the right station. All right, you pulled up to the Porsche dealership in 2008. Estimated annual fuel cost, 2,800 bucks. 13 city MPG, 19 highway. Oh man, look at all this junk. I have no idea. Exclusive options, doesn't even say total price, 65,465. That's not bad. That's not bad, dude. So anyways, crazy the freaking window stickers in it.
I wanted to tell you guys some stories about Pat, the guy I bought this from. So listen, I called, it was like 10 p.m. and I was calling from North Carolina. He was in Queens, New York. Picks up, he's like, hey, it's Pat, what's going on? You said Pat? You said Pat, P-A-T, it's simple. What's going on, man? How you doing? And he was just like right off the bat, like funny as fuck. When I got there, we met at the bank. He wanted to check all the 100s, makes sense, would do it myself. He said, hey man, you in the heart of it. You want to go get some lunch? You gotta go. I don't know what you gotta do. And he was like offering to show me around, and he was super nice. So we got back on his block and we were trying to take the license plate off. Initially he said he had to go to a party and like couldn't hang out too late in the afternoon. He was like, all right man, like I'll be honest with you, I would go to the party but they ain't got a pool, you know. We had to rip the license plate off. He's like, hey, he was like calling his friend, hey man, we need a pair of snips, man, we gotta get this thing off. He just eventually was like, and just like plate just molded around the rusted screw. So anyways, went to the DMV today, got my custom plate on the way. Go ahead and guess down below what it's gonna be, both the combination of the plate and what it says. That's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm very hype on this thing. I love her to death. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.